what do you recommend for deer protection for your flower garden? This is Dunny from Orangeburg, South Carolina. So Mary, I'm coming to you about this one. So what do you think?
Okay, so you can always look for what's labeled deer-resistant plants. However, if a deer is hungry, it will still eat those plants labeled deer-resistant. So really, one of the best ways to protect your garden from deer is fencing. And you have to keep in mind that deer can jump at least 6 to 7 feet.
That's crazy.
Probably higher. So you're looking at at least a 6 foot high fence.
6 foot high fence. Yeah. Anything you want to add to that, Jesse?
Oh, well, when I was a kid, my mom put the compact CDs, you know, the old CDs. She would hang them around her garden, and as the light hit off of them, they would, I guess, scare away some deer.
Yeah, like a deterrent or something like that. Yeah, so they can jump pretty high. I can tell you, at the Agri Center where our office is located, they use an 8 foot fence. Right, 8 foot fence. Some of that fencing, electric fencing, of course, it deters them. So that's the best way to do it. Exclusion fencing is going to be the best way to try to, keep deer out of your garden. Now look, we've all heard about repellents and things like that. I mean, some of those are hit or miss. I've heard the human hair, I'm pretty sure you heard that before. Soap is something I've heard, mothballs, but understand those things are going to be outside. Right, so they're just temporary. Right, so exclusion fencing, 8 feet tall, 8 foot tall fencing is probably going to be your best bet. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.